Hi, this is Chris with chrishaynestraining.com, and what I wanted to discuss today is how to promote Clickbank products for free or with very little money. So, when you're starting out with Clickbank, and first of all, let's talk about what Clickbank is. Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace where you can sell other people's products. These are mostly digital products. You drive traffic to their offer, and anything you sell, you get a commission on. Commissions can be 25%, 30%, even as high as 60%. And the reason why affiliates will pay out that much money is you're doing all the work for them essentially. They have nothing to lose and everything to gain. You're the one driving traffic, so they will pay out these good commissions. The kind of standard way of promoting Clickbank right now, what most of the gurus and everyone are teaching is to use Facebook ads. Here's the problem with that. Facebook does not like affiliates. So it's pretty much a matter of time if you're promoting Clickbank products with paid Facebook ads that you're going to get shut down. I knew a guy who does e-commerce, and e-commerce is generally viewed as pretty safe for Facebook ads. And he was saying just this week that Facebook is shutting down all of his accounts and he's having trouble getting them going again. So they're being very picky right now. So if you are selling Clickbank products with Facebook ads, it's just a matter of time before you get shut down. That said, there are free methods. So if you're new to this, you're just starting out, there are things that you can do. You can sell for free on Facebook through Facebook groups or just a Facebook page. It's hard to get a lot of traffic that way because everything on Facebook now is geared towards ads. You can do search engine optimization, and that is creating a website and adding content to it, articles or videos over time, and slowly trying to rank those within Google and other search engines. This can be a really effective method. It's just time consuming, so a lot of people give up before they start to actually make money. You can promote for free on Twitter and Pinterest and Instagram and other programs such as that. But I'm going to show you a method that I think is better than those for newbies, and I'm going to explain why. So if we look at Clickbank, the mistake that most people make, and even the big gurus teach this in their courses, is to go to the Clickbank marketplace, and here I'm at these are the top sellers. So you have things like Resurge, which is a weight loss product. You have Diabetes Freedom. Obviously, that's diabetes. You have numerology. You have another one down here that is the tinnitus offer. So this is people that have ringing in their ears. The Book of Lost Remedies. So people go on there and they think, okay, these are the top selling products. And you look at some of these commissions, $152, $113. These are all over, these top three are over $100 that you can make in commissions. You know they're selling because they're the top products on there. And you think, okay, that's what I'm going to promote. And I'm going to say that that is not a good way to go. And the problem is so many people are doing the same thing. So there are likely thousands of marketers already selling these products. And the people that are spending a lot of money with paid ads on Facebook or Google ads or other methods, Instagram, are the ones probably getting the bulk of these sales. So if you're a newbie and you're trying to promote these products for free, it's going to be very tough for you to get some traction. So what do? Another free method is YouTube. Now you can do YouTube ads and people make a lot of money with that. But you also can create a channel and make YouTube ads for free or for very little money. You just have to have a decent microphone, and you can maybe use your built-in camera on your computer or your iPhone, so it doesn't cost a whole lot. And you can go that search engine route that I was talking about. Google or YouTube now is the second largest search engine in the world after Google, and Google owns YouTube. So you can make free videos, get those ranked, and start bringing in traffic to promote products. Now, you're going to say, well, how is that going to work? I'm trying to compete against all of these other marketers who have more experience than me. Well, I'll show you a little secret that a lot of people do. We're going to go over to a website called muncheye.com, and I'm going to talk to you about a method called launch jacking. So what Muncheye is this website that lists upcoming products that are going to be launched. And so if you look here, these are what they're classifying as big launches. There are a bunch of these. And then over here we have all launches. So this is just everything that is coming out. So these are new digital products, some of them on Clickbank. So if we look at these ones with this is the Clickbank logo. So these are Clickbank products. Some of these other ones are through other affiliate networks called JVZoo or Warrior Plus. You can certainly promote those products as well. But we're talking about Clickbank. And so you can see this comes out in December. These are products around Thanksgiving time, November. These are ones coming up in October. The same thing over here with all launches. October, these are all through October. And these are ones that have already launched. So these are ones that just came out on October 10th. So we have I Am Startup, for example, is one. And you can go into this Muncheye site and then click on the product. It will give you some information, and you could sign up to promote these products. So what you do is you can approach the makers of these products and say, I would like to get a free evaluation copy. So some of them will allow you to do this, some won't. But you contact them and you say, I would like to promote your product. Could you give me a free copy so I can take a look at it? I can study the product. And then what you do is you can write a review, tell your thoughts of it, or you can you can create a YouTube video where you can actually show people behind the scenes what they will get within this product. So what people do is they make a YouTube video where they show the inside of the product, obviously not giving away all the information that is contained in there, but you can see kind of the headlines of what each section looks like. Give your honest evaluation. It helps if you list pros and cons of the offer. Then you can link to it through as an affiliate, and you can make it a commission. The great thing here is these new products that haven't been released yet or have just been released are not going to have the competition that something like Resurge that's been out for a long time and tons of people are promoting is going to have. Now, a lot of people are doing this launch jacking, so there is competition, but not nearly as much as with these already existing products. So, and like I said, as you can see, there are a ton of products that you can promote. So in all kinds of niches, there's software, there's how to make money online, there's how to lose weight, there are fitness programs, all kinds of things that you can promote. And there are some people that basically, this is every week or multiple times a week or a couple of times a month, they make a video promoting a new one of these products and they make commissions. So rather than trying to just kind of beat your head against the wall promoting something that everybody else is doing, this is a method that you can get started in affiliate marketing. There won't be a ton of searches for a lot of these things, but if you're among one of the handful of people promoting these, you can pretty easily get traffic and start to build up sales over time. And as you make money, you can reinvest some of that or a lot of it if you want to do paid ads with Facebook or paid ads with Google or Bing or whomever you want to use. So, like I say, this is a really great way to start out. And even I know people that have been in affiliate marketing for years, and this is all they do is just promote new products with launch jacking, and they make a really good living every month and every year. It's definitely not going to get saturated because people are just bringing out new stuff all the time, as you can see. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can check out my links below and hopefully learn more at my site, chrishainestraining.com. And also, if you got value from this, be sure to subscribe, and smash that like button. Thanks. I'm Chris. Take care.